What if I told you that some fake luxury goods are made so perfectly that even trained experts struggle to tell them apart? Today, we're revealing the secret, step-by-step process behind real luxury manufacturing and the underground system that copies it almost perfectly. Let's dive in. Section 1. The materials they don't want you to know about. Real luxury goods begin long before the factory floor. Leather is hand-picked from high-grade suppliers, metal components are stress-tested, and fabrics go through microscopic inspection to find even the smallest flaws. Fake manufacturers don't have access to this, so they do something surprising. They source look-alike materials that mimic premium quality just long enough to fool the eye. Real leather is aged, treated, and preserved for durability. Fake leather is pressed, coated, and chemically softened to feel premium, but the quality vanishes after weeks, not years. Section 2. How real luxury workshops operate. Inside authentic factories, every stitch has a purpose. Every seam follows a measured pattern. Every worker specializes in a single skill, often trained for years to master it. That precision is what gives luxury goods their price. Not the brand, not the label, the process. Workers follow extremely strict tolerances, millimeter-perfect alignment, exact thread tension, heat-controlled bonding, and hand finishing that machines simply can't replicate. But here's where the story turns. Section 3. How the underground replica industry copies everything. Counterfeit manufacturers don't start from scratch. They reverse engineer existing luxury products layer by layer. They measure the stitching density. They scan patterns digitally. They trace the assembly sequence step by step. And who do you think helps them? Often former workers from real factories. People who already know the process, the pattern, and the secrets behind assembly. This is how replicas get so accurate. It's not guessing, it's experience. Section 4. The machines they both use. Luxury brands use world-class machinery, high-precision cutters, laser-guided stitchers, temperature-controlled sealers. And here's the twist. Many fake manufacturers buy second-hand versions of the exact same equipment. Factories upgrade. Old machines are resold. Guess who buys them? Replica workshops. Meaning, that perfect fake you've seen online might have been made on the same machine that once produced real products for a luxury brand. Section 5. Where fakes fail and where they secretly excel. Replicas usually fall short in 3 areas: thread quality, adhesive lifespan, and heat treatment durability. Tiny details, but massive clues. That's why the difference shows after months, not minutes. But the part nobody expects? High-end replicas sometimes outperform cheap real products. Yes, it happens. Not all luxury goods are crafted equally, and the replica market knows how to take advantage of that. Still, the biggest difference remains invisible: quality control. Section 6. The step they can never copy. Luxury brands inspect every product multiple times. Edges, labels, logo alignment, stress points, stitch count. If anything is even slightly off, it gets rejected immediately. Replicas don't have that barrier. Their goal is speed, volume, profit. So even if the process looks similar, the result is not. Section 7. The hidden supply chain trick. Here's a secret the industry rarely admits. Some counterfeit components come from the same suppliers as real ones. Factories overproduce. Leftover materials get sold off quietly, and they end up in underground workshops that assemble replicas using nearly identical parts. This is why some fakes are insanely convincing. Not better craftsmanship, but shared supply chains. Section 8. Why people still buy real luxury. If replicas are so similar, why do people still pay 10 times more? Because what you're buying isn't just material. You're buying craftsmanship discipline, quality control, longevity, brand guarantee, and resale value. Replicas imitate the surface. Luxury delivers the lifespan. So the real difference between fake and real luxury goods is not always what you see. It's what you don't. The hidden processes, the invisible steps, the quality you only notice years later. Real luxury is built to last. Replicas are built to look like it.